The people that know me well know that I'm a big fan of miniature dachshunds. I don't have one currently, but my daughter does, and she's kind of carrying on the tradition. We had a little red short hair that lived for 23 years. My name's Roger Bakies, and I'm a retail sales professional here at Fire and Ice. I actually go to people's homes, assess their current existing system, and provide them with options for a comfort system to keep them comfortable in their home year-round. What I hope people to learn from a video like this is that we're going to present you with options in a no-pressure fashion, show you and tell you what's best for your home, allow you to make a decision in your own time. I enjoy going to people's homes and providing them with solutions to give them custom comfort in their home for years to come. Well, my free time I try to spend as much as I can with my grandkids and of course my sweetie, and we've got a couple cats that take up a good deal of our time. They're like our children to us these days. Well, when we arrive on the call, we have to go on the iPad and click that we have arrived. And then of course I make sure I have my personal protective equipment, mask, gloves, shoe covers. I also look at the house from a standpoint of trying to determine if there have been any upgrades in the insulation to make sure we size the equipment properly. Good resource to learn more about us and our products is our website. And of course we actually have a learning center there that will tell you more about the installation process, the equipment, and it's very important that you have some knowledge when we arrive so you have a basis for what we're going to talk about. There's contractors of all sizes and qualities, and there's a ton of different products. The most important day in the life of your system is the day it's installed. We place a lot of emphasis on that, and that is going to be the key to the longevity, reliability, and energy efficiency of your unit, regardless of brand.